Changing your profile picture on Klarna is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Once in your profile section, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Profile Settings. Tap on it to access your profile details. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. Find the option to change or upload your profile picture. This may be represented by a camera icon or an Upload Photo button. Tap on it to choose a new image from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to ensure your new picture is updated. Now your profile picture is successfully changed. Enjoy your refreshed look on Klarna.